In 2025, interior house stair designs are becoming more stylish, functional, and space-saving than ever before. Modern homeowners are no longer viewing stairs as just a connection between floors. They are embracing stairs as a bold design feature that adds character and value to the entire interior space. From sleek floating staircases to classic wooden steps with decorative railings, there's a staircase designed to match every interior style. One of the most popular trends is the floating staircase, which creates a minimalist and airy feel by removing bulky supports. These stairs are usually paired with glass railings to enhance the modern, open look. For those who prefer timeless elegance, wooden staircases with intricate iron or carved wooden balustrades remain a favorite. They blend well with traditional and transitional interiors while adding a warm and welcoming charm. For compact homes, spiral staircases and under-stair storage solutions are gaining popularity. They save floor space while maximizing utility, making them perfect for smaller layouts. Many homeowners are also experimenting with LED step lighting, which adds a soft glow for safety and ambiance. Ideal for a cozy, contemporary home. Material choices are expanding, too. You'll see a beautiful mix of wood, steel, concrete, and even marble. Whether you're going for rustic farmhouse charm or ultra-modern chic, the stair design becomes a focal point. In open-plan homes, statement stairs with unique angles, textures, or two-tone finishes can act as stunning room dividers. Interior stairs in 2025 are not just functional, they're architectural centerpieces. Choose a style that reflects your personality while enhancing the flow and aesthetics of your home.